We're going to install and configure the Atari 2600 emulator Stella and show you how to play some Atari games in less than 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and create a folder in Windows for Stella. Then click the first link in the description and you can install Stella, but I'm going to download the zip file. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to unzip the 64-bit version into my new folder. Then I'm going to create a new folder to hold ROM files. Then we need a game to test with, so click the second link and download Adventure. Unzip this and move it to the ROMs directory. Then in Windows Explorer, copy the path to the ROMs directory because we're going to have to put it into the Stella configuration. Then make sure your controller is plugged in and launch Stella.exe. Go to Options, User Interface, Launcher, and then in the ROM path is where we're going to paste the ROM directory. Then go to Input. There's a ton of inputs, but really we only need to map like 8 of them. Select and reset are switches on the console that choose and start a game. Toggle left difficulty will let us choose the difficulty switch on the console. And then left joystick, up, down, left, right, and fire. If you're going to play a paddle game like Breakout or Kaboom, you also want to map the left paddle A analog and fire buttons. Some games also use a driving controller, which obviously you would have to map as well. Now go back and go to Video and Audio settings. Here you can set full screen, and if you're crazy in the Audio tab, you can set high quality audio. I can't tell the difference, even with headphones. Close out of the options and double-click to start a game. If you've never played an Atari game before, the first thing you usually want to do is set the difficulty. So I'm pressing the toggle left difficulty button to switch between difficulty A and B. For most games, B is going to be the novice difficulty and A is going to be the expert difficulty. Once that's set, I press select to cycle through the different game modes. For example, Adventure has 3 different mazes and I use select to toggle between them, then reset to start the game. And that's it, we're playing Adventure. If you didn't map quit, it's Ctrl+Q. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.